diagram. There's a rough diagram what actually is going on. So every point here, this point will have speed v. How the speeds are directed. Okay, these are the speeds of the train directed, no? So different points will have different velocity here. He's asking momentum, and momentum is a vector quantity. Shall we add up just like a speed into the mass of the train is how much m? Speed is mv is our momentum. No, not like that. Momentum is a vector quantity. So therefore what shall we do is first we'll assume a small element here. Symmetric elements let me pick up. These also are. So what is the momentum of this will be v. This is v. So mass of this is dm, this is dm. Okay, this is theta, this is theta. So let this be d theta. Momentum is a vector quantity, so first we'll calculate the momentum. I think the xy component will get cancelled out. You see this one. So if this is theta, this angle should be theta. If this is theta, 90 minus theta, this will be theta. So we'll go for this is theta. Similarly, you resolve this. So this will be theta. So which components will get subtracted? The y components will get subtracted. So dmv sin theta will be vertically down. dmv sin theta vertically up. Horizontal components will get added up here. So here we'll go for dpy. dpy of the system will be dmv sin theta. So this will be 0. What is the net momentum along x-axis? Along x-axis will be dmv cos theta. Both will get added up. Now what is dm? Lambda will define should be equal to mass by perimeter. So dm should be equal to lambda into ds. So what is the ds? ds will be arc length. Then what is the mass of that? Lambda into ds. Can you remember? We have done so many problems till now. So now keep as it is, lambda into ds. This is v, this is cos theta. ds is further what you can write? R d theta. What should be the limit? This is theta equal to 0 degree line. So 2 lambda Vr cos theta d theta. I want limits from the student. I'll add up momentum of this. I want the limits from the student. I assume two elements. So if I rotate this d theta from 0 to 90, I'll get momentum due to this. Since I assume two elements, 0 to pi by 2.
0 to
Integral of cos theta okay, this will become 2 lambda Vr sin pi by 2 sin 0. So the momentum is equal to 2 lambda Vr. What is the lambda we assume? M by pi r. And how it will be directed? The net momentum of the train will be directed like this. Okay, this one, so I think at curved points is very important in designing of the tracks. Opposite to the momentum, there will be force acting by the track on the train. By the train on the track will be in opposite. So there, the designing of tracks, all these matter. That's the main purpose of discussion of this problem. Usually we discuss momentum of a particle. A block is moving. Okay, fine. Something, some object, some rod or some sort of like here, this one, and a body. If it is moving, if the different parts of a body is having velocity in different direction, how to calculate momentum? One example I am giving it. What we defined as momentum for a particle, mv. Okay, very good. But this is not a particle, it's a body, no? And the different points are having momentum in different direction. In that case, what is the method? Assume small element, first define the momentum of small element, then go for integration and look for any symmetries there. Because of symmetry, what happened? We are able to minimize the mathematics here. This is a method. So momentum of a particle, momentum of a body. If the whole, suppose that this train is there, train of length L, mass M, moving with a velocity, there's no problem. mv will write it. If it moves along a straight line. If it different parts of a body, if it is having velocity in different direction, no, then what we should do? Assume small element, define the momentum of small element, then go for integration. There's some background of regarding the momentum of a bodies also. So many objects are there in your home. Take blanket, different parts of the blanket will move in different direction. Can I find out the momentum? Yes. Analyze it. What is there in that one? Sky is a limiter here in the science and technology.